Hello, welcome to another Fingernail Fixer video. In this video, let's figure out how to use stamping and chrome to create simple holiday looks that fit into our salon time frame. Start off by applying 2 layers of your favorite gel polish to the nails and curing each layer. Then go ahead and apply top coat to all of the nails and cure the top coat. Then remove the top film from the top coat with 99% isopropyl alcohol. This will leave the nail no longer sticky. In addition to removing that top film, go ahead and use a 240 grit file to buff the top coat gently so that you completely remove shine from the top coat. So we know that it is not sticky on that surface at all, and it's not shiny. Then go ahead and use the alcohol to clean off the nails again so that you have a nice, clean, completely matte surface. Once your nail is prepared, we're ready to apply a holiday design by using stamping. You can choose any stamping plate that you like. In this instance, I've chosen a design that kind of makes me think of ornaments because I'm creating a holiday ornament look. You can choose a design that suits any holiday that you're looking for and use any piece of the design that you like. In this case, I want a specific portion of the stamping plate to be my design. So I'm going to wipe some gel polish onto the plate and swipe it. If you need some help with stamping, if you need a little bit of troubleshooting help, I do have separate videos that focus specifically on stamping, so be sure to check those out. Pick up your design on a clear stamper. Once you have the design picked up, you can actually use your swiping card to press onto the stamper and remove any bits of the design that you don't want to transfer onto the nails. This is what allows you to get specific pieces off of a stamping plate onto a nail. Looking through the clear stamper, determine where you want to place the design and gently rock it off onto the nail. A tip, remember to gently press, very, very gently when you're using gel polish so that you don't completely smash or distort the design as you transfer it. This will need to be cured. While it's curing, you could go ahead and clean off your stamper using a lint roller. You could also go ahead and clean off your stamping plate. When you stamp with gel polish, you can actually just use your 99% isopropyl alcohol to clean the plate off. Once I clean the plate with alcohol, I also like to wipe it off on my table towel just to completely remove anything left on the plate. Now you're ready to go ahead and apply your chrome. I like to use any of the holographic chromes or chromes that have multi-colors in them because it really gives a dimensional sparkle. Apply the chrome in your favorite method, whether it's a sponge, an eyeshadow applicator, or a silicone tool, and really rub the chrome into your stamped design. The more you rub, the shinier it gets, and it also helps make sure that it removes any excess from the nail that's not part of the stamped design. Once you have your nail completely cleaned off of all the excess chrome, you want to come in and apply top coat. It's important to seal all the edges so that you don't have any lifting as a result of the chrome. You'll also want to make sure you left a margin away from the skin so that you can seal your design in with the top coat. Once you have the design sealed in with top coat, you're ready to go ahead and cure that top coat. As you can see, this creates a really fun holiday look that's extremely versatile by just changing the design that you stamp or changing the color that you apply it to and the colors that you use on top for the stamping design and the chrome. I hope you've enjoyed creating this fun holiday look that you can use for any holiday you like, and that you will click thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate your watching the video.